true, you've made incredible progress emotionally, but I still feel like there's something holding you back. Something you're not letting go of yet. I know what I have to do. Then do it. Hi. Sir, I am so sorry to bother you. You probably don't recognize me, but I was your waiter 15 years ago at O'Charlie's in Nashville, Tennessee. And you asked me for a side of ranch when I brought you your fries. And I never brought it. So here's your side of ranch, sir.
Thanks, brother.
Okay. You enjoy.
Will do.